This is the Vintage Coach Saddleback Small Rough Out in the color black, and the style number was 9208. And this bag is actually a pre-creed bag, and it would have been from the 1970s. So it's definitely one of the rare older vintage Coach pieces. And it is a shoulder bag, so it comes with a shoulder strap here. Hopefully you can see it in frame. So it's a shoulder bag in this nice saddle shape, and it does have a suede texture on the outside, which I believe Coach referred to as rough out, and then it's got a leather lining along the corners of the bag, and then the interior is leather, and it also has the suede texture under the front flap. So it's a really nice, cute, smaller size bag. And we actually have the same bag in this brown color, and the main difference though is that this one, as you can see, has leather stripes down the front of the bag, where this other black one obviously doesn't. But as far as I can tell, I think they're both style number 9208, and both have the same name. I couldn't find any catalogs that show this bag, so I'm not 100% sure, but that would be my assumption. So yeah, we have a brown one and a black one, as you can see right now in our inventory. Kind of fun to compare the difference in the color and the style. So I'll go ahead now and show you more of the black bag itself. So here's the front. Like I mentioned, it has a front flap. So this one doesn't have a closure. It's just a flap that you would open to get inside of the bag. And then here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the bag. Looks like it's got these little, I think these are called rivets on the back. These little hardware pieces. And then when we open the bag, it does have an inside pocket. So here's that inside pocket. And then here's what the interior of the bag looks like. And it does have the Coach cartouche stamped on the inside here and along that back pocket, which is what you would see for bags from this time period. They didn't have a creed yet, so they just had the Coach cartouche stamped back there. And like I mentioned, the interior is leather, so this one's obviously not lined. But it also has like a smooth leather texture on the inside, I guess is what I'm trying to say, as opposed to the suede texture that's usually on the inside of most vintage Coach bags that you see. So it's kind of interesting to note. So that's the Saddleback Small, and this bag is now available in our online store, so the link will be below just in case you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.